Hey guys, Rob here. It's that time again. So maybe you guys recognize the spot, maybe you don't, but we are at SCENIC Marsh and we're gonna take the e-bike here, ride around and see what we can get on. No live bait, only artificial. All about exploring and just trying to find new places. So look at this, guys. You know, it's stuff like this here. I come out. I almost didn't come out today. I said, no, I'm gonna get out. And all I can say is, man, God is good. Look at how beautiful this is. It's amazing. And today, what I want to do is, weather's been kind of cold, water temps are cold, and usually fishing slows down a lot during this time of year. So I'm not expecting anything crazy, but I haven't had fish in a long time and I could go for some fish tonight. So honestly, anything's on the menu. Largemouth bass, bluegill, tilapia, Mayan cichlid, catfish, maybe if we can get one. We don't have any bait for that, but anything's on the menu today. We're gonna fry it up whole. But yeah, man, it's great to get out here. And on top of that, Doug and Dave are out here, and there's a very high likelihood that we might bump into them. So that'll be pretty cool. If you guys don't know who Doug and Dave are, they are day one subscribers, and I've met them a few times in person, and just really good people. So it'll be nice if we do bump into them. All right, this is the way I wanted to go, but I didn't know it was gonna be dirt road. It's hard to tell looking at Google Earth. We'll see how this goes. Might have to go to plan B. So I just stopped my bike here real quick just to show you guys where we're going. This is the plan, straight out ahead. I also had to get off the bike and get a good view of it. This thing is awesome looking. I've got so many ideas for stuff I want to do with this bike as far as mods go and stuff for traveling. So many ideas. All right, let's get back on the road. This right here looks like it's about 5 miles I have to take on this kind of dirt. But the thing is, what I'm trying to do, this is the St. Johns River. I'm trying to get far back where nobody's really fishing to increase my chances of catching some unpressured fish. It looks like the only thing that's really coming back here is maybe FWC or something like that, or a service worker or whatever, because that's all I'm seeing is just tire tracks. All right, guys, so we made it down to the end where I wanted to start fishing, and it doesn't look like we're going to be able to. We got to drop off, and then the grass and stuff extends out to probably like 50 feet. So we'll go up around this corner, see if there's anything fishable. But man, and definitely a workout pedaling with the bike and everything on this grass. I could use just the motor, but I don't want to. See that right there, guys? Let's try to get to that. I'm hoping that there's a side pathway over here where we can fish around that structure. They're up ahead, but this is what I'm looking for, guys. Oh yeah, we're far back here too. And look, we got current coming through. I'm really happy right now. I am really, really happy. Let's zoom in. Absolutely amazing. Man, I would love to stealth camp this spot. All right, let's get a little bit closer, get the pack off, and start fishing. There's got to be some fish over here, guys. I mean, The amount of work we just had to go through to get here. All right, let's begin the fishing. As juicy as it looks here, no luck. We're gonna go farther up ahead, fish that other spot for a little bit, and then if anything, we'll hit this on the way back. See if our luck changes, maybe try some different baits. So just want to stick and move, figure out where the fish are, and not spend too much time at one spot. Even though this looks amazing, I didn't have any bites. All right, guys, we are at spot number 2. We got, no, probably can't fish that. Maybe. I don't know what that is. No, we can't fish that. But this right here is what I had planned. All right, here. So kind of like the other spot, except this is, there's no water that runs through. So we'll give this a shot. Man, it was only about 10 minutes ride from the other spot to here. And man, I must have spooked like 12 gators that were sunbathing. And when you ride up, they hear the bike and they just crash into the water. And right now I already see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, just a quick glance, I see 5 gators already straight out ahead. Some pretty decent. This one straight out over here. Oh, look, there's a 6th one that just popped up to see what's going on. These are big ones too. These are over 10 foot, maybe 12 footers. They probably just look like little specks on the screen. But yeah, they probably use this area to cross over all the time. This wouldn't be a good spot to camp because they probably walk all over this thing. Let's try this side here. This is the side with all the gators, the big ones. Oh, got it in the tree. Oh.
We saw some, about 2 of these back, we saw some fish about that big with spots on them.
Oh yeah?
I don't know what they were though.
Hey, Rob.
No, they were big, seriously. Ask him.
What's going on, man?
I'm not even
Well,
exaggerating.
one guy said, the one fishing guy out down there, he had a YouTube channel, Fluke Masters or something.
Oh yeah? Gotta check him
But
out.
he said a lot of dead tilapia out there from the freeze.
Yeah?
We didn't see any, but he said they were all, he's fishing over there in Kenansville Lake.
Yeah, that was Doug and Dave that we ran into, or they ran into me, but I knew that they were gonna be in this area. It's cool seeing them. Just chit-chatted for a bit, and yeah, it was nice. So we're at the 6th spot right here, and still have not caught anything. They said that there was another spot farther up ahead to fish, so we're gonna head there, and then on the way back we'll try this out. Hopefully we can get on the board. All right, looks like we got another area that's fishable, but I think we're just gonna keep going, keep exploring, and then hit all this stuff on the way back. So this right here is Blue Cypress Lake. Never seen this before from this side. And then what we might go to is Lake Kenansville, which will be coming up on our right-hand side. We may check that out. All right, guys, looks like we made it to Lake Kenansville. And this is my first time seeing this in person. So pretty cool. Here we are, first time out here. And I see 1, 2, 3 gators. We just got here. Obviously there's more. Yeah, this is cool. I'm gonna go right over to the parking lot and then turn around. Looks like we got a kayak fisherman out here today. He's got his YouTube channel on his trailer, Fluke Master. I'm gonna have to check him out. Pretty cool. So you guys, I was gonna fish this here water off to our right, but I'm looking at the birds here standing in the water, and the water's only like probably 3 inches or so. It's really, really shallow, so there's no point even wasting my time trying to fish that. All right, I'm not seeing as many birds in this area, so I figured we'll give it a shot. The water looks like it might be deeper, but we'll see. Let's see if the Senko can eliminate this skunk for us. Cast it right out to those weeds. Well, there was a bass sitting there and I spooked him. First fish I've actually seen other than that tilapia. All right, guys, got rid of the skunk. We got him to bite. There we go. Really nice looking bass too. Not bad. Nice fat chunky bass. Probably about 14 inches. It's just about to give up. All right, guys, we're gonna try this spot out on the way. We're on the way back, and I think I might fish one more spot after this and then just call it. We did get rid of the skunk, and I'm actually kind of tired, to be honest with you guys. I've been out here all day. I'm gonna see if I can cast over to these, well, I just spooked something over here. Let me drop this down. Almost went into the cypress tree. All right, guys, we gave it all we could. Water's cold, bite slow, it happens. We didn't get skunked though, so mission accomplished. We do have a fish to take home, and should be pretty good eating. So I'm tired. I'm definitely tired. I'm exhausted from not catching anything. You guys know how it is. It's been hours since we've been out, and all I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna head back home. It's really cool, at least getting to explore and see more of this place. Hone in on new fishing locations for when the water gets warmer and stuff. But yeah, we're gonna end the video here, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, as always. Until next time, I'll see you guys on the trail. Peace.